Hello, and welcome to week 1. If you're watching this video, congratulations. You're following the weekly routine, which starts with watching the weekly overview video every week. Remember, every week you want to start with the week overview in the modules. So this is week 1. You're at the week 1 overview page. This is exactly where you're supposed to be. Now, for every weekly overview page, you're going to see 2 videos. You're watching the first video right now, where I'm just going to give you a brief overview of what to expect this week. Second video that you see right below is a quick video giving you a preview of how to simplify expressions with the order of operations. So embedded at the end of this video is a secret question. Once you watch the other video about how to simplify expressions with order of operations, you can answer the secret question, and guess what? You can upload your response for 2 bonus points. What a great way to start each week off with 2 bonus points right away. So let's take a look at some of the action items for week 1, and then we'll talk about how you earn those 2 bonus points. So after you watch this video, I want you to scroll through the week 1 overview page, and I want you to look at what's coming up for week 1. So we have a welcome quiz due. You want to post to the student introductions discussion board, and then you're also going to reply to one of your classmates and let them know that you acknowledged what they said and that it was interesting, or maybe ask them a leading question. Just let them know that you appreciated what they wrote, or maybe how it helped you understand or look at something in a different way. But go ahead and reply to one of your classmates, and you're going to start to find that we have a lot of things in common, and then you can make those connections and maybe even help each other and become study buddies. That would be great. Then you also want to create your More account, and then once you create your More account, you want to complete the first unit on whole numbers. So there's a media lesson, homework assignment, and also an online quiz. Now, let's get back to the most important part of this video, right? How do you earn those extra credit points? So after you're done with this video, like I said, you're going to watch this video tutorial on simplifying expressions with the order of operations. Then you're going to answer the secret question. When you answer the secret question, you're going to post your response to the week 1 overview discussion board for 2 points. Now there's 3 ways you can post your response. You can use the Canvas equation editor to type out your solution path. You can embed a photo of your written work. So you can do it on a regular piece of paper and then use your iPad or your phone and scan a picture of that and upload it to the discussion post and explain in there how you solved or how you simplified the expression. Or you can use a screen recording feature on your iPad, and then you can just upload that video to the discussion post. But either way, you're going to show your work and you're going to explain how you simplified the expression in the secret question. Make sure you review the guidelines for expressing your mathematical work every time you post a response. All right, so let's go back and let's take a look at our secret question. So here we are going to take a look at it right now. And here it is. So you're going to simplify the expression below according to the order of operations. So remember, watch the video tutorial, which walks you through the steps for using the order of operations to simplify expressions with whole numbers, and then post your response to this in the discussion board that you can find down here at the bottom of the week 1 overview. Okay, let me show that secret question one more time, because maybe you didn't get a chance to take a screenshot of it or to write it down. I should have given you a little bit more time. And there it is. So either take a screenshot of that or pause the video and write it down. And then that is the expression you're going to simplify and upload your work into the discussion board. What a great way to earn 2 points right off the bat. Have a great week.